As you can see in the given line in the graph, it doesn't have any points along your y-axis. So your y-intercept could not easily be identified. In that case, we need to apply or make use of point-slope form to write the equation of the given line on the graph. First, we need to solve for the value of your m, which is your slope. We could make use of your rise over run, but in this case, I wanted to use your formula change of y all over change of x. So I would like to write down, we need to write down the first point, which is 1 and 2, and write down the second point, which is 3 and negative 2. This will now be our x1, y1, x2, y2. Write down your formula, change of y all over change of x. And then we substitute the values of our coordinates. We have y2 is negative 2 minus y1 is 2 all over your x2 is 3 minus x1, 1. And then we simplify. Negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4 all over 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Or negative 4 divided by 2 is equal to negative 2. Therefore, the value of our slope is equal to negative 2. After we get the value of our slope, next we identify any of the 2 points that could be used of. We could be using point 1, which is 1 and 2, or we can also use point 2, which is 3 and negative 2. In this case, I wanted to use point 1. This will be my y1, and this will be my x1, and this will be my y1. And then step 3, I will just substitute the values of my slope and my points and my point slope form, which is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We keep y minus your y1, which is 2, is equal to the value of your slope, negative 2, times keep x minus your x1, 1. And then we continue to simplify by applying your distributive property of multiplication here in this part. So we write y minus 2 is equal to negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. We continue to simplify by adding 2 to both sides of our equation. Plus 2 plus 2. Make sure that we align common terms or like terms. So negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. We just write y here is equal to negative 2x. 2 plus 2 is 4, positive 4. And this will now be the equation of our line. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 4.